Welcome to an incredible journey of transformation and empowerment. In the next some minutes, we're going to explore 10 powerful steps that will help you unlock your true potential and live the life you've always envisioned. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York, the tranquil beauty of the European countryside, or anywhere in between, these principles are universal and will guide you toward success and fulfillment. Step 1. Embrace your vision. Everything starts with a clear and compelling vision. Imagine your ideal life in vivid detail. What does it look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? Your vision is the beacon that will guide you through every challenge and triumph. It's not just a dream. It's a blueprint for your future. Step 2. Set clear goals. Transform your vision into actionable goals. Write them down and break them into manageable milestones. Setting clear, achievable goals creates a roadmap for your journey and helps you measure your progress. Each small step you accomplish brings you closer to your ultimate vision. Step 3. Cultivate a strong work ethic. Success doesn't come easily. It demands hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Embrace the process, no matter how challenging it may seem. Consistent effort and resilience are key to turning your goals into reality. Remember, the road to success is paved with hard work and commitment. Step 4. Learn from failure. Failure is not the end. It's a crucial part of the journey. Each setback is a lesson in disguise. Instead of seeing failure as a roadblock, view it as a stepping stone that propels you toward growth. Reflect on your experiences, learn from them, and use that knowledge to fuel your future success. Step 5. Build a support network. Surround yourself with people who inspire and uplift you. A strong support network, friends, family, mentors, provides encouragement, advice, and accountability. Seek out those who believe in your vision and can offer valuable perspectives and support along your journey. Step 6. Prioritize your well-being. Your physical and mental health are foundational to achieving your dreams. Incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine. Regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate rest. Practice mindfulness and self-care to maintain your emotional balance and overall well-being. A healthy mind and body will keep you resilient and focused. Step 7. Embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving, and so should you. Stay curious and open to new experiences. Pursue opportunities for learning and growth, whether it's picking up a new skill, reading a book, or taking a course. Continuous learning keeps you adaptable and prepares you for new challenges and opportunities. Step 8. Give back. True success is not just about personal achievement. It's also about making a positive impact on others. Find ways to contribute to your community, support charitable causes, or mentor someone who could benefit from your experience. Giving back enriches your life and fosters a sense of purpose and connection. Step 9. Stay resilient. The path to success is filled with obstacles and setbacks. Cultivate resilience by maintaining a positive attitude and staying focused on your goals. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and keep moving forward, even when the going gets tough. Your perseverance will lead you to greater heights. Step 10. Celebrate your successes. Take time to recognize and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and progress. Celebrating your successes not only boosts your motivation, but also reminds you of how far you've come. Remember, your potential is limitless. By following these 10 steps, you can transform your vision into reality and live a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. Start today, take action, and let your journey to greatness unfold. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Together, let's unlock our potential and create the lives we've always dreamed of.